The online Delhi Prant Paryavaran Competition 2021. On the occasion of World Environment Day, an online environment protection competition is being organized by Paryavaran Sanrakshan Gati Vidhi Delhi Prant. So now let us see the details. Competition start date and time is 10th May 2021 9 a.m. Competition closing date and time is 4th June 2021 at correctly 11 a.m. IST. Result announcement date and timing 5th June 2021 11 a.m. Rules for age group 6 to 11 years old. In this age group, children from 6 to 11 age group will be ranked on the following two activities. Best drawing relegated to the environment protection 5 marks. Best selfie of the child with plants at home 5 marks. Age groups 12 to 16 years. In this age group, children will be ranked on the following activities. 4 questions, 1.25 marks for yes on each activity. 4 proof of activities. Upload photos for the questions where your answer is yes. Age group 17 to 22 years. In the age group, ranking will be done on the basis of ideas related to the following activities: water conservation, forest conservation, land conservation, energy conservation, and animals protection or wildlife protection. You need to submit your innovative idea in 100 words, and then you need to attach a photo of your model or idea as a proof of concept. Marking is as follows: 1 mark for first question and 1 mark for proof of activity, 2 4 marks for the innovative idea, and 3 4 marks for the proof of concept model. Filling up your responses. Link for submitting the response is given below. It is also given in the description box below. You can start filling in your responses by clicking on that link. You can edit your link as much as possible, as many times as possible until the link is active. Recognition and awards. All participants will be given the certificate of participation through email on the same email ID which is provided during filling up responses. The top 3 candidates in each group category will be rewarded as per policy. For this, please see the contact details. Contact them at +91 93128 08070 or 75340 00000, or you can contact them on email delhipsg@gmail.com. There is totally 10 prizes for first, second, third prize winners. Drawing and essay competition, free entry. It is one of the best competitions. Age limit 6 to 22 years. Certificates will be provided to all. Winners will receive exciting prizes. Now let us read the note which is given by the DPPC. Dear stakeholders, greetings of the day. We are all aware of the present situation which has wreaked havoc in the country due to pandemic. If we did not take the pledge to protect the environment now, then we'll never be able to do it. I implore the young generation to be eco-friendly and set an example for this. Please make your children and anyone who is from 6 to 22 years can participate in this competition. Those who are from 6 to 22 years have the age groups and the divisions are given below. Now the aims and objectives of the competition. To succeed, the number 1 aim and objective is to succeed in creating awareness among students to comprehend in depth the complexity of the looming dangers of uncontrolled climate devastation. Number 2, to acquire practical put to usage skills, competency, and attitude to confront environmental challenges and their mitigation. And number 3, to encourage proactive and enthusiastic participation from the students to create a green and safe planet. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. Special thanks to Kavita is here. This video is in courtesy of EduTeen. EduTeen is a YouTube channel and they also have a website. In this website, I am seeing one of the latest competitions they have announced. So in courtesy of EduTeen. Thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe my channel. And special thanks to Kavita is here. Stay home, stay safe. And may the planet be green and safe. Thank you.